Marungu mitena na kumheshimiwa John Paul uratwendete muno na aratũrehe Embe South ngwĩtĩkia tũkethera twĩna rũnene na twĩna kanya mĩmbiga kuendesha mantu jara tuthiĩte sanare Embe South nondu twĩna Alinda ina vision ya tũbehe Embe South.
Okay. Karibu sana Patrick ngugunya tumite rutire rumwe by the way. Nora wa umite South na umite North Egembe North. Ara nya babu menya buga nya babu kwena Imenti South, Imenti Central. Ngara murona. No yo mugiro nyela yetu neino ora tu menya tu jinsi na tutebwana na tu onde. Kwa hivyo karibuni sana. Tumbe kutoka tukiaraniria mtuko na riu tukwenda kuolele matuja mengi sana yara yethirito yagite na mbere ndene ya Meru ndene ya Kenya yonde nikienda tukamenya ni mbio yongo kurengi na tukiambiriria kwina mantu bwinde bonete goro mantu tureterete sana so turari na baba na rainara twene akomba kuthura kuna kiti kike chairman wa EU na bahati mzuri ama bahati mbaya tuseme atombere kuona kithira akiona kitikira nontu buri aritiantu sana nontu ni mtu mwe withera very popular ni mtu twene aina inya na potential yonde iraendeka ya kwithirwa na kitikiu lakini ntiko mina matu ya retre wrong omba kwithirwa agicindo kidogo so babu bukari ya Kenya bakawaida buri representative barabangi nontu tutomba kwinithia Kenya bondea maoni jenu buribo mbio jongwa iraretere kasheshe imbio yo ina kuretere ina mantu ya retire wrong nontu kya koleli nyeke campaign dara ringite na kinya barabangi barasindana nabo nurona aturaila ako juu tu kidogo lakini for now sijui ni nini li happen na kuomba witora kuretire kwa hivyo imbio jongwa iraretere dine yonde tukambiri na Jeremy
iwega muthikiria mwende na Njeri nindo ko makokiugo ule weta baba ukaigwa kihao ngoro nando nande ukaigwa ya kuthinja kihao tiona nyama ndio tumugikie mwende oni mbele ni nkurigire ya Kenya nonto witikira baba ali na gikuririra ya Kenyan picture kana bicha ya Kenya tulina gitikia Afrika boy bomo nande ya Kenya ibwega ituragusere and you lost honorable however oni ya mwanasiasa na mudhuji wa siasa ntene baba ndio leo gashindwa nanda na rais muringire jwa kura jwa block ya AUC for the previous almost 4 terms cia barabara ariku ndona group ile ya Islamu Sandak bara batibwa be corrupt munoja ba twende Kenya ni bari kanagia na bakabanga wabanga muislamu no akale na mpara atinywe rujiruru eya kudo rujiruru da nyana mandina ile tumia karanya taunine kwina nyama ukithinja kwa na ateria nonto na ukira kuthukia bara ito ile bakaringa buroko nonto banyukite baitajana batunywa remo leo teta tano na ate batumba kwiri structure ya jata ndatu banyukia kairi na iba menyeria timu ile boise na timu tu ile kuura na ndino boise ra timba bangwa buibo boja ile gitikire uoni ya mujiari wa ana kana ya mtu ina that age ntiro na gikienda baba nonto me akere igutesa baba utumba kunenkera baba ukenya kuba itumwa atite gitege ya Kenya kuma bamwe turistundie butichiari kuma igita ria banganja mugi njara mugi babe daiti atue katinka tuika kiragita tuika bile tuikaga na boimo atakura ria atige meria kinyame akaiteri ilo gweto mu mameria murigo jo Afrika
lakini no kwenda menya morenda we ngoteka ala lazima
bari mucokeria ringi bakura antu abe jo tu kubinde tumbura baba no munoge na Afrika kila Kenya ni tuigide tu mwakura bado cokeria baba wetu tumugeritaya ngati that is my feeling
kwa gori kwa dogori Jeremy mbere tetere ya kiria geni bangi ugoru wa baba itu ona jantu bene nyame yake mingi nkurukie baba na bari itene so fact ewe tumeke kado kidogo
feeling was kanda tegere ndona jeka kinya gitikira gusue tari njemi onde mukenya na inkarite ndingite kura tukoma nindirona jeka gitikira kira tumairwa ni thirikari ya Kenya kwanza ili exile any kind of political exile baba arenda gwikwa kenda akinyuka ati nontu nwe baba ari Kenya abandi ya kinjeri mumiru wonde na mukenya namenye baba ari within neja kiuro kirino kire breakfast benya gikaoga bibinge na mugwanja na gwikinya la kenda no kona ndu berigarira na miture kugita kiri political authority ya opposition baba rira ejire kume gitara njenzi au kwa ni Burundi mbesti iyo turokujwa buga kera kuje to mwanka Burundi ya kujo mwanka
kinanda gyatwika
Burundi na ndigitekera kirari janjira kirarombagwa kufa kupona kumanga kumaliza ni rais wa Kenya ni Kenya tiura kiriga Kenya kiura gikareta Kenya ni fame in the African map Kenya ni kiratuteithagia baba gukire no nontu eno ati chumburantu enzi na juiti akirirwe
tukejiro Jeremy Felicity ugo kariza mwari alidi menya antu ba no bararomberete baba bakiwa na choke na ndi maromba jenu jararire we lakini ntigwitikiye jenu ntigwitikiye jenu
ndi aromba kandi baba bararomba ja uchoka ndi patie maromba
okay ibaga sana kwa hivyo Felicity uweke yaku no koneka kwari ko justice rombere kwithiro kithithirwo baba nontu baba mtoto andete Kenya betho nyatha tutemwaya kura lakini antu bamwendete ntisi lakini ketha kaba mwendete aikire opposition yari yao akitheta kisijui hiyo sijui ugono kuibo yaka pengine hiyo maana rapati uchoka kana at least for the first time nonto this is the first time Kenya yomba kwithirwa kirita muntu yonto na gitiki nene yakira na tukilose nukuona yaka twitite sawa sawa kana rapati kuona itiki.
So thank you sana Jerry na kuwin kwa baba okay maybe Kenyans but I'm mostly in support of the UDA government but endete Raila win nontu ija kwebedwa muligo Kiribo as Jeremy was saying lakini Kiribo barendete kuwin it was a little bit unrealistic nontu kinyambere baba tonyande bene kurari na factors nyingi against is winning.
Okay.
Kwena factor Jeremy agweta ya SADC kana countries ile on the southern part of Africa na kinyambere kutwika kure kari ngo ibadithite muchemanyo na ibarare mobilized to support candidate of Madagascar.
Ni bare ko declare by the way.
Yes, bare ko declare na ikioronaga baba akirekia arare short of kura ile tia countries ile 10 tia mobilize na SADC right alafu kuna factor ya age you cannot avoid age na Jeremy akuga I think ministers bamo kinya barabara ringa kura they felt like baba gakujukia leadership ya African Union Commission like a retirement plan there was that feeling. Then there's another factor ya religion Muslim countries in as much as to kuga democracy and everything Africans utomba kubagira kumobilize in the lines of religion na ukoona kinyagenya tukidhurana na utadhuranere in the lines of religion so it was also a factor and there's another factor that maybe antobainge baterona kwa allegations that rebels baraba banga the chaos that is going on in Congo but manage Nairobi na allegations you our president said nothing about them na tutoona kinya arrest kidhirwa kwa tiomba kurunga mawira the African Union Commission countries kana baraba members of the commission that kana let me put it this way kure na countries really affiliate to Congo John to Kenya to but maybe East African countries or something affiliates ba Congo ibonaga there is those allegations that rebels baraba kudhiria chaos Congo barichemana Nairobi there were no arrests made and the president of Kenya didn't say anything about it kwa kurare na that kurare na Karumena ngete Karumena that countries really affiliate to Congo iragete kujene tunawangoja so there are several factors that affected elections ya Raila kinyambere tande ben nara na forces nyingine election so it's not about Kenyans pushing him to be elected it's not about our current government wanting him out of Kenya maybe because he is very vocal now of course he's going to mobilize Kenyans to call out the government those factors constant kuna factors ingi external beyond Kenya ire iratumite kinya mobilization yo in as much turamona nde goro ingi nambi kinya Kenya na aru njerikire wenga kwira I want something to karingwa mbicha I don't know what is in your heart.
True, very
right?
true.
So factors in ngibone affected kudhura kwa Raila and it was beyond us.
What about rwaria ro rais wetu gita nonto bwando wewe Congo considering no kumenya ni chairman na kwirwaria aracia kuringana na rumors wo kuigwa antu bakwa ruongwa iro atomete kwatuika nthiguru ya cia change mind kuringana na rwaria rwake rurariri nonto na aracia na command wera twariri no menye Kenya mera muntu tumea muchenje character we kinya geta kundu kungi tu correct we ombo mitha for some time lakini ukona ya turatu so kuna ndwaria kinya wethiri twakiarie concerning ndwa weje Congo antu bakuthogania pengine no yithiro no yo enyeyo ratumira antu braba change mind na initially bari ba Raila.
Correct. Nande rwaria ro president abo so adom the same uonganiria na allegations cha kwithira itu tura hosta rebels bara banga chaos cha Congo. I think in our right mind iturare tuku but kwithira twina expectations cha kwa supported by Congo and affiliates of Congo as a whole.
Okay, thank you so much Felicity. Tukiza kiwa Patrick nonete kinyawe mantu jo ningwiti kinyawe ine opinion yaku ira umba kwithira kenda kuona kana uweke yaku uriona ni mbio zongo ira atumire twithira tukitsindo nibo turatiumite na tutumirite a lot of money by the way utendo gurwe mora ila atara kumya kuru tete kuiringira campaign na kinya rais wetu turonete na support sana pesa resources na kila kitu lakini still tuko pale.
Thank you Jerry. Wetikia nani opinion yakwa na njira ndi nayo wa onipuma ndio kumashukuru tura kuthoma Raila na elections lakini taibwa election imwe Raila winite so ngwetikia kwa kento twetanicha ora twira wanicha no eusetere maisha yaku ura yake ya kari ngwetikia Raila na nicha election at the miaka 8 abati kwetera at least ya kuona
okay
ngwetikia ndio ba mu expect no cia sensia onto agenya bawiri tu bakua atotire Ruto opinion yakwa ukethia Raila uti president nyo mu Kenya tinga Kenyatta atapinga na ta succeed kuonora inyatha ito muya twena Kenya ina crisis mbingi muno that's what matwithira tukaona yaka president ya William Ruto atofiti lakini candidate yokurita Ruto te baba
okay
na ngwetekia warito ya na nyafta 2027 tukeya ila 27 ariati position yo oye te bruno tu atwinde
na jokeria te
TV sikora tu aria tu me aro tu ya mansura baba president but tumeora kwa karere tu akura seyerwe of which tute o mano to tumba kuyo makanu rongo ndo ba tutemenya tu so baba dai tunda kariya mu Kenya atumwendete muno ndo thirikari racio ndo thirikari nyemwe ateria ku influence tuona membi positive effect kana negative so na to advise siasa at least at 8 inch jerinya yuka kama yake ite karaka imusi nyakiri yongwa por ando na president William Ruto bake aimwarakisha baba face tenara chayere kunyuwa president ya mura panda gari twende nondo akwenda haraka lakini baba we akirieke kwando iketo yoyo tura nyekethira to mea tumai kubali wingi
ai padre Gyotario
baba te kwa karende de sai lakini baba nyatha ina weretwe baba kuwa baruwe to ndori nyambi sire kuona ne baba na weretwe tu
lakini
ya utebia lusete we
don't you think maybe ni bichera gwikira just kenda kuona ya kari sasa lakini menya wawo kuwa na history bando na history ya kuria ku consider atindwa atitikira sio tindwa tu it's either abura akire system it's either kabura igire kura it's either we mantu atiasi kura kuwa
batidanya very happy na ulo mwailia na inje yo para to shughuli kaira miaka kinyere 8s akirie mtu yanjirira soso kana raumite wanene bwa sanses tibatwana na baba ila sema nto yoba atwira inje ke oginya 8 na arabu na Jeremy utumba kwa bura baba bwana si aina miaka 60 ibwa kudwania rwari na ina weretwe mimbi no ndona alinde agwa kaigwa
lakini turonere baba ari euro oriu awa inkwene gutsinda lakini due to unforeseen tukumenya imbie uyo ngwa irejirira ugatigati no tukinya bali menya I'm still thinking imbie yo ngwa yomba kuthura irejirira gatigati mwanga gwatuika
mbugi ichuma nyuma unforeseen atiri menyoke gakwambiria kugea utaitie ngomba kureka kumenya miruta ni mutaka kuona yaka all of you wa matuka miruta era yari nyingi ira yenda muno antu bara batena sati nandi kwa kinyagia antu watuka bara bambiri muno bathiurukagwa wathiurukwa seria yari wathiurukwa kuma kenda ari mubombo tara ndio alivyoasili aba bara thiuruke watiba nge no me seria ya kuthiurukwa no wathiurukwa kwa kauma no round ira baba line 22 against 19 against 7 and for a scene was baba by 7 bali kira kiri baba equals 29 against 19 bali kira kiri kiongozi kigogo kingi equals 25 against 22 utegeri ngaruga that was the fourth round. Fifth round baba yenyewe moni alikula ndiye nakatira chiringirite kana yechia na ali antu bachiringa ira kala sanjeno kuiringira no tukithoma ibingi irari 26 against 21 ndi kuona ne kibwa bwine kiu ndiye kana president Ruto no ntumorari chief agent wa ndiye kwa stand to guide lakini mwamba bila jura ndakali alambamba Dr. William Samoei Ruto era tayari chief agent no ra control akiondokera kekomadhira ndo alambamba ka excess because for true President Ruto ni ari akede the president ngurugia vote moga na kuti president ngura akeda na gia wetu angaende ka sanitizer akurukidia ara akede ora kala kede mtu ataka medo
ngonya ko felicite ugire
ngona ida kumulika ni wekanya munkurumiti ulika ni nalwa na kulika na de baliringa siasa na madogania kiki uja batu Kenya majority people vote from the stomach orikana kwe rumors although sijui how fact it was lakini kwe rumors kaumirite itorira campaign rachindiro Djibouti Mahamud Yusuf akiuga na konenkairwa 6 billion akinyukira Raila. Okay, siku ndikumenya kethra it was fact ama ni kana rumors ile ya gutekenya meke nyiguria ndo maingi lakini ogiagwethro iguo then no kwethro kinyeyo ye fact mono antu bana rabatendete mpukumo na tu Kenya hiyo tumezoea kama respatin augete nyorongo buka bwetwa ja maingi ibuge ya rangie umbo akara ya uma no ibuge ya uma aletwa na nenkairwa 6 billion antu imena ya Kenya antu Kenyans were campaigning Kenyan way ni Kenyan country hiyo ni obu chungugira ututedia na agwa yani ya Kenya starting with the president the prime cabinet secretary and everybody else na bala bete bali for example bago kalianjira menyani kula ina ma injendi no tukata turakama de MC nguruki ya bala badu Kenya nguruki eganari yani nguruki ya county yetu yonde twakamata mangaba na nguruki ya thate utubona ndiko kinyando wala kura wana ikikalia njira ne betera itaro gutibyo tutane bitore nya cheering squad nindi wa campaigning the Kenyan way wana mtu alinga kura Kenya rwa ne akarega hatinda kurutha untuko yonde laini ikaringa no kamuno ogoro mungu atakwega they went that way na itu amenyegi nyegi tara magamba ya igi no utwetere this is the way to go. Baba, welcome back Kenya. Baba tunakupenda nontu kimaini kia mwene na gutete na karibu nyumbani. Lakini nontu wa karibu nyumbani tuko randa yako. Nontu na ndinyo kaga unge baba. Murire jura baba ari thirikari ici kuma igithera njensi. Nontu mbete cia campaign ara yego nanke barugana cio juru ekunda gari taya na thiri. Na ndi baba amenya atiri akaringithia thirikari gituma ya mbere kabe campaign mane. Nontu this is double campaign. Mbese hizi baba areri state house kuma utuka ni Burundi based mbese ile ndi muteria aruma ga fore eterete akirumagia inda akona no cio chuko no teka baba ina mantu ya maingi naona chia kwa nacho na ndi baba na ararire mapema. You cannot eat your cake and have your cake on the table. So
baba unto kona na thina no nturi are kango kura yani kinya kenda kura ringi no are no nturi number 1 okia kwithira president kalenda baba etana kenda no ona toro menya baba
ile kama tire kwa gathona na mugiri na mbia
tipo na kape aya
baba tumbife
igora ni video tangazo akiu turonera antu bakisum kodele bakiwa Ruto must go
no uga batere kuga no ndunabori bare baratindite kuma makieni ni adona baba mgieni ubarugite nkima bajoka batinda bokiriti maguru iguru na ndino renya batesaga ikuru baibetania gitondo kila kemburaki batindo saga ubeterete igomwa na ibamenyerie baba menya kinyata gutsindwa tejampurwa uti muntu menya idiampurwa lakini baba na menyerie kurusi kitu nikuona akiteka ura wona menya baba limwe pole kugo utu baba na gutsindwa wanakuanga hapa
auto muntu tikira gyotsindwa
baba ugite uzu imiteri for the first time nguchokeria baba nkaba baba now you are to be an African heritage man nonto nore tekiriria kumira uri ngate kinyoka geta ira mba musando njara ikagitwa gwatuka inganga saveri ingirandi nombode keas akona gya gwitira kotini na the good thing the house is the AUC chair seat etena supreme court ya gwita baba ali ndeba ikotini na ina kuno ndetera na room wewe ona kabu die tuagite kiao. So this is the way to go. This is my opinion. Baba soka Kenya na ndi nyumbani ni nyumbani. Baba rudi nyumbani tunakungoja. Lakini ukikuja tusisumbuane nyumbani. Ou haraka zita usina diri. Endelee kukaraku na diri. Because to me from experience having gotten in this country for quite a while, a number of decades. Ninkugo with a lot of authority. Non to indingete kura tukoile da uma. Baba is the best king maker we have. But Baba is not the king himself. Baba kauga fulani tosha. Ni una no turenda kakana na alia, baba bange baragana. Na ndi baba kikie wea ya dikare Kenya kwanza. Kashagu hapo ingwa. Baba uga kashagu nontu na mwikire mitego. Na ndi hakuinga muntu mitego. Mbandi be bali dirikarine itibinene akina Opiyo Wandayi na wengine and so many CSs. Na baba bali maribjane mangaba na Azimio no jamurumagia gantu. Na ndi baba nakale warume gantu na ndi twetere. But however, I don't prescind that. Baba menya nontu nuona ndi the music composer ya wimbo. Utego barambire kuga wanaenda wa Munyoro ndugu ina ya Azimio ndio majority anga minority like that. But when the ruling was done by the speaker, bakumara baugire twende asubuhi baba atariku baugana ndia betere ile au menale kampeni ne eje hapa bange na ndia keja tuile either wanaenda wa Munyoro tunangojea hiyo ama wanasema Kasongo must go kana niuba kaina kana beta majority wherever they go we are here.
Okay, thank you Felicity kuna tetezi pia eti Gen Z nontu Gen Z na boda ive jiteba ina kiwivu kingi kitikwereka iba kwerekana kinyambo ibandika email gutuma nara kuga mtu bugamweni kura na gitumi nimbi Gen Z baba riona baba ayukiria advantage ye itarare ya Gen Z ya bare mandamano utonya thirikari kana gucoka thirikari na akirira au na ndena mantu ya ingiritanura ya ingiritanire to ya kariu so no kwithiro kinya Gen Z baba eto na kinya antu beto bangi nuronete bangi muno bakwa Gen Z aiba murombera achoke so no kwithiro kinya batu tu ngoto te support muntu eto na kinya eto to support na twingwa na kwa twika kinya pengine kinya emails iwikoro ni ratoma wa kwa twika antu bara menye yuni antu betra very keen na bako le libongo bako nenyewe ukiakutwa mtu antu boi bakuwa twa mutarare then nimbio tomato mutara kana neje kutoretera thininya batu nao
Gen Z bura mundaga ya kudidia tatore kani.
Thank you. Email city atomi, that is true. So many heads of state na ministers ba foreign affairs ba receive email nyingi na kwena opinion yako kwena factors jere na kwena Gen Z kire gutuma email kura na Gen Z type jere kurare na Gen Z ba waugera bara baba atumere as a bridge to get to the government kinyanganira and that was a story of the past. na kuwe na Gen Z baraba kuigwa our constitution provides for
True.
now when a government is in bed with the entire parliament, the entire yani
Lakini dai tuna position
when the executive we have the constitution provide opposition ya seconding kiringwa the person that comes in second. Now as we speak right now, when the government goes into bed with the immediate opposer, na that means dirikari geta in bed with the immediate opposer, that means the entire parliament, the entire legislative body is on the same side. Now when the executive is in bed with the legislature, mwananchi ndo anaumia. Leo kure Gen Z barona you used us, but there are Gen Z who feel like we need somebody to check and balance this government.
Okay.
They feel like itobati kwethora twina mtu kando na ti mtu anybody because
mtu
ina uge na mtu wari close by to get the position of the president. That is the person with the following, that is the person who is very opinionated. Mtu umba kuera mtu tuite una kugeta what we are lacking. Na ikio kuona the government will say this and the legislature, which is the parliament, ba kuruke akauga tuite uba kuruke because at no opposition at all. When the house is divided, ikuithara kuina baba kurungama na no kuona baba kurungama ibaba akai. The member of parliament for Githunguri and a few others,
wachache sana, very
few. Na ikio kuona nande the government is able to suppress us to the ground without any checks and balances. Kwe Gen Z kuigwa baba agachoka akanja kuga tumera Tuesday, tumera Wednesday, at least maybe the government will feel the pain of the Kenyans. And there's a Gen Z is feeling tulitumiwa. He used us when we were agitated. Akafika mahali alikuwa anaenda, and that was the end of the road.
Okay. Patrick, kuna ogokire antu babo baire nontu kuna kintu mtukuelewa. Ruto president yetu Kenya narendete. Okay, ntiko mekethera ko support kwa kikora genuine for real. Meana other arari genuine like wacha huyu mtu apate kiti. Na no etherwe arari na mtu kete atwebere. Now that he's back. Na tokuthani bumbo karika.
Ngutekia Ruto. Atha kwa mtu bise atha isoba. William Samoei Ruto.
Okay.
Rira supporta baba. Ngutekia nare akanti ngaithite. Ota boti mantu yangu yakafeli. Ngutekia kwa mantu bari anyanjesi. Jensi sibabe tu. Tukuona yakabari genuine. Why? Kuma maandamano yara ya parliament. Unikabia mtu eririte eti kwa mantu ya kuendelea ya mai. Eririte kuona tuimo focused no press thirikari konene kabisa. No tuendelee kuna maana ari kutuambiriria yatu orwambirwe nendito kureka. So eririte antu bake thiate antu bari imbesa badide mantu ya badida cia kithana antu genuine eririte kuona antu inyaba baba watanira na president antu bake endelea. Lakini nontu itwe student university student leaders beti bakayo mbesa wa mnyoro tumba kudhibitisha bon bakayo namba MPs. So kuona ni ogo nondo tukora bagwetiria climax iyo story ya thirire.
Lakini no Patrick no bati kumenya ri at the same time no romantic abductions yejire tu na baba ingi muno kwa twika bakura wana bangi bakiwata wana nambi don't you think no kuthira antu ba intimidate na barama kwa twika baukirira baukirira nini o bakirira life me okero ba mani
bakenya yonde tukura maandamano yari kuo maandamano ya tukwembere yandamanirwe every town ina university au nontu maandamano ya tukwembere atari mawa kute university antu ko yoyele era ya menti mno antu ba fera wa kuma mutu ate baya kwandamana ko mawa kile mtu ona ari genuine kwanja wa renjerio wo kwa watwa polisi bage abakuwata tuya tuna wajeremi iro tuona nyenya yo kuri no ine ondo tukwebu
lakini uko watu wadhani no kwa watu na ante bakaigwa nuro
Kenya in democracy no tu no wa ta kwa dira ukethira itisone in Kenya abone rware usora Jeremy ari thandukune ndimusore na ndimugire na mantu uyu kwa de otibumbwite lakini antu para ukethira agencies para bari baoloba president nyagethira kaina machina risiana atia nyogethira katwitha atekitha agencies na ba surprise kubwa maandamano nya tukusia thi atirite utiri
lakini no I beg to differ no to okay otega ndira genzi bara bandamanite number 1 bandamanaira finance bill na president wa finance bill eu ikure kanonyo ewe kwandi as kinyedra ni ajira kuchokoringe wa baadaye but for that time narekanire nio number 2 antu bai bandamanaira utongeri bra bwario tona masiesi siba pengi muno baritwa even though ibeyiro chokuringe bonde but still eyitarira na baritire no kuona don't you think antu baka baibirwe okay mante ato athetaira maybe ya kubwithiro turendete no tukethira finance bill ire kurekana nyo kethira ni masiesi bakuritwa para barua ibathuki bakuritwa kinyethira ne jiro barira ni ringe baadaye rawire karata basethira karata yo bachoke baadaye but still don't you think antu baibirwe enyewe mante ato athetaira ijara ujuriru so kutene maana kwandamana ringi
maandamano yako tukuthiria maandamano jensisi bawira tema tuna ministers kanambi ndo ndi group nesio bawa now Ruto must go ndio ya this leoni ernest so kumbera yani ministers ba changerwe ndo bara ba changerwe tinga Ruto wengwa barari and different na wengwa ibwengire bara mimi ba bonekana ibakorewa ni antu bara bonekana wengwa na shukuri tibungo ibwengire bara bange bonge wandani bake jenzi to watu tekwenda wana siasa ke cabinet lakini obai wandalela mimi ni minister wetu Meru ora wana siasa bara kuroba kwa bate muisi muredi iwenka ke na kwa jenzi bakirwa batare minister wo mugate gone kanontu mugate tamuna TV ne akiandamana tuende wo replace mbi jensis so jensi bara tukabuya na uma jensi etare real movement ya kundeliva Kenya yare movement yetu merini antu me Kenyans oranjere me awire tuwaki na pesa jeribu ale ukethawe na pesa ukaringira ndakabe FTR wa vera kimathi etura TV ne atekerwara inafanyika so kwandu bare o thirikari ne na interest sio bamenyete this is the right time ndo mukenyo indesperate atina pesa lai tukonge tuona ya kwetu siasa hiyo sedha wa mno in fact kwetu mwana siasa ya wethiro te kwendwa wale oni lo wambera ndina mamata kebya ndombi so ndo kwa manto yara ya pesa na Kenya utibo yani utimanto impossible Kenya with the money ibyo ndo tukwenda kugira tuina leaders tutibendete ate bate bui lakini ukethia tutimia ko land ke wrong leaders
maita yonde
kila wakati tuithia tutena riso so jensis ukithia ibare yondo kwena baba Uganda batoro teswa yondo kwe duare ko
80% were not compromised and they were advocating for change and they were advocating for suppression to kuona high cost of living blah 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 and it is utumbako tuira the government felt no heat the government felt ikethero ya compromise kaneta compromise in politics to the end justifies the means
true
it could be that there was kore mtu wari in the same government wa fuelera mantu jau lakini the end was that cost of living kinyethera that much went down a little bit
mauta
exactly na kinyethera the finance bill ne jera gutonyerwa na rutere so many things that were in it were not affected nonto ikwari na factor jatia whether na kamunda gaku near the town before you do any commercial thing you start paying levies levies tia ira tugita gogora petroli maguta chiringi tia ugito chiringi kai it was supposed to go up to 17% cha kugito cha kujira potholes njara chetu chuki potholes ndo na ugita go gorari te petrol. So there are so many things that never happened. So it is, you cannot say that efforts cha Gen Z cha relevant.
Okay.
They really helped, and things that we are seeing now, the cost of unga, things at least man to buja, it's partly because of what they did. So I've compromised. Lakini so many that followed. Nonto narandona by the demonstrations mbumeta Saudi Menti na nkobu demonstrations chelero. Ntone kia foiled by anyone. Toma era tuingwa at our own peril to kaumera njerene because we were looking for something. So
why that's building serikali.
So I feel utumbako expecting utumbako thank you.
Una doctora baba ita chinira baba mimi.
Lakini I'm saying the korega there might have been a few on the front line barabara compromise non to the famous guy who was kaliwa anaitwa kanini, that guy with afro eventually came into bed with the government and blah 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 stuff like that. Lakini there are Gen Zs who are genuine and their fruits should not be not recognized.
Okay.
I agree.
Thank you.
Don't know.
Yeah, only Gen Z ama millennial.
Yes. I would want to say and agree to what my sister has said, not disregarding what my brother said. Ndipo ndatoa na akili kuri mandiga kare kagatumba kuthoma na nyomoja la maingi kuri nyomoja na giye muno indi ndige bamitikanya kwa ni teja maingi lazima chiania no chibiri kwa ni tire chikairo idia. Gen Z, the plan, initial plan was okay to push the government.
Okay.
That was very smart. Ireja kuba ya bangi ni antu baba iba wa munyoro. Ireja kuba bangi ni baharaira. Ireja kuba bangi bara batonyere kile azimio batindika dirikari. Known to the government of the day, Gen Z baguta ya kasungu yuyu yari kukinya kiwango akwili akuita mwananchi ale moyike meruke. Nandi mbinu ya kuikonjora batumire meando ite formula. Baba anga gutumira ya Raila watu wamemzoea. Na ntubara beta kwa na malaria baba ugite bomire batimenyere nibamenyere tio kiatiko kira tiangazi. Korona kakule ndukire aja ikwendenya tiangazi nguruki orekeragwa. Yali ngoba geta bakauri mogorisi gute flavor nge gutigerie. Bakwenda gutesti flavor chionde ile chio bakauna hiyo ni bakoloride muno ile ni vanilla ingwe. Nokenda bambalanza. Kuona kanandi mando kira keza kuoneka kuri ukiomba kurugurirwa ruzi okirigitite bamenya na those people yani bakimapu akabamenya weterage yakuruka ugochuri ogorero itikendi those people iba tumire nje sienjega. But the thing is the intention and the purpose was misplaced. Remember Gen Z bambiririe kwagire ndwa mirembe thatu. One, kuna the frontiers barabara injeni barabara kuga finance bill must go down. Mwananchi haache kufinyiriwa and I echo them. Na barabara kwenda kuona ni thirikari ni gukaraine rubbish muno itwatura kuona ga tejeje bukatindo ngitanjara ije ni tejeje ije teyo mitayo kwenda nkagura ile milioni nte mamani no kabangurite munda na tejeje bije kalija chio ngachia milioni kivumba baraigwa banoga bakunoga baraumara then ni kware na Gen Z engenden ira ya ina nkoro mbiti yona simbe dinga tete kindu kienda kuraga ekeje ijira kigito endi mbeje mbiti gutweka edinga taga muntu webia njaro ira itarume ekona njara ebi karuma kume kigita derukie kuri na antu ba Kenya the political class yari na the highness mind na niyo ya tonyere. On the other hand, niyo ya tonyere in the name of Burundi based. On the other hand, the response team antu bara kinya muhamba gira wa kwaona bunduki na antu ibaije muhamba no tunya muhamba kwao. So that means the government had to use all the possible means to retaliate. Why? Even the Gen Z ni quote Gen Z tebo utara ibari na ende na agenda ya to take extreme measures kuri iwango bia kuandamana utemenya gutiki. For example, kinyetha umugu antu ananchi bomba kantu bathuri muno. To me, kiwango ya bodi parliament ni ku kuna thirikari na bunduki ile muntu bokania nteto ya yu muntu na umire kuma kire kueleza mateta katiba etiugaga constitution ira batura gukutia ngateko wori ke juguru mbere ne ate ko ba this it is picketing and picketing
na voice jalla na kuyeto
nte kuona nte katiba una bongo gubumbire nte ona te andikite kala kuikia malalamiko kwenda kuedia parliament kuitia malalamiko kwenda kuingarami mwaka kukaina na maiga woni nte kuona kile kibatere gutuma atiri Uwe askari atekwa akachoka akamampigwa ndi akatunyo mutinga akora wajanjoka irikidetini no picketing ngo atekwa no picketing
ba lakini nebo maba mbere ya barura muno mwakabona
ndikona picketing yale kuitana na kugira njobi cia bachundi muntu akaitemeria muno na njobi ngirira the 6 picketing yale kuitana na kugira TV
na boida
kwa bunge. So those who are extreme kitu ni kugatiri there was an Indian agenda.
Lakini tike bombe ngoti kwa
the other thing there was used and dubious means in different ways ile itabugi na itulindiuga uzo buying guns and buying guns. Number one, Gen Z, congratulations those who are genuine and the shame on those who are the highness might. That is the voice of the Father. Gen Z, congratulations. And I also pray that may God bless the souls of the Gen Zs who died in the line of duty to rescue this Kenya. Sisi wazee tukua tumeshindwa. Tuwe niko kumbata kashungu. Niko hali kwa mdadi mtu wekewa lando kune. Kabali kwa kaiwa hutu nonge taka.
Thank you.
Jani. Oh, mere ofiri. Nyathe tuwale this fast. Mbwembu.
Nikiri mantu akore aki.
Anto para de parliament. Kende anwa ile life. Bere de kumira mbere bare mwa. Be ya kumira nyuma. Anto para batare just mere citizens. Bare anto paina misinka. Na kwe staff era yengirwe. Ya. Pisto. Era yengirwe.
Hiyo sikuona hiyo.
Bawete atere, bawere bendera itawe kwa nusu mulingoti. Kuona ni atia ambunge batage ti ambunge 50. Ndio bero itare ku.
How do you know?
Wajua wamesema
Wakati wa dona njia sio kumenya mambo yako ya Kenya. Ambunge 50 borowa Ruto arisai. Kwemora wene kuoyeti. So nyedi tu kwa Gen Z's ibari sawa nonto nyama ndamano yabo in the somba in the way. Kwena na be tuba tura abadiete anto para badani to mbesa. Kadani anjeri mbesa. Batu na bajeremi tukomenya tu akuvia tanonto injeri na manto yo kwari manto yo twethia tia. So otibo umba weta parliament buna Gen Z para bare sawa betere parliament unkuma wo betere kurabira ambunge bare ya. Barabange na wo bare operation ya kuradha ambunge. So mtu yore mtu urare Gen Z imwamba kanimbi nondo tukia yani tukia kuwa atubabo nde tutukurea barabaro yaira oma na barabara turite misiyo bakua oni betite wo kwa Kenya itukubera kwa batida sia
baliganya tabati ya mangao
lakini kwendo yo no wete betite ndadekenda Njeri etanto
na kuja kimezi kila ni kila ya power
no tuna ikiterite atueterite
Kiana bati kiendelea na
ndio
rwanda.
atueterite ya kidit
Batakoroki finance bill.
bagiriti mboku Njeri ara wowe na mali yako Gen Z be wa kuri bato tukua maitibine nyatu twandikwe no kuona so as long as tukwa ile manto ya tubeyo ya ile na side sionde nimbebio ngwabye ya osiarwa after manto ya ruto tukwembere aberere right yenu kwende ata tukoyile ko ya kuria lice ku aumere agwa treason ya barabonde bedeti ata mondo na menyere bote boka ota no kuona so kwandu bare ndeniao na nambasia jende ndo kuria wewe areni ambuge bana bamero we nambasio na nambasia mbunge bonde ba Kenya se umereke Gen Z kenda uturakwa na rawe tiriteina kenda kugoma ndo yonde yari njemi So kila mbunge nya kwake uti freedom
Toko vile mitandaoni.
ari mitandaoni yani wao kuromba namba na na muse ya ne staff
Baba ari na mission
sio barato tukweta na nya tai antoba tenje utumba kuma nyumberu ari wewe mwana bare ya rusesirisia ku utura wetwira uthiria miake wori yako utibo utwira then rira kukamena na director akwinge utura wetwira director meru tv tebui yari yao nao mandu ya baba yutura mbere twa yamenyeria we yoke utura we genuine tukimya wotura tutura we ko bandu no twa ya information lakini no to asira sia kuna mandu ya bwethanitie akenya katuka ruka metho twailie aturi hakwailia twisithira bandu twarugite mutioni yayo
Mutwira wa Monyoro program ni revenge mission.
Thank you. Tuko natumara geni ni rata tutathirigiria topic ya baba na tunataka tumalizie ndio tuende mahali kwingine. Kiurike mwisho kenda tuinga mata baba. Kuna rumors bado kuendelea kwamba president yetu atari the right person kuithirwa IK frontline ya campaign ya baba. Itumi nimbi kuririkana antu iba kuma nthingi bakia Kenya bakia bakawatira Kenya yoroku rebels be ya bakabangira mantu Kenya kuni nyantu bangi bakuma na baumite nthitio bakia Kenya bakawatira Kenya itonete Besigye akithia akawatira Kenya akachokuko itonete mwanaharakati urongi huyo madam sikumbuki jina yake ejite no akawatira Kenya although njenzi baumire we mwanga kwatuika akulukua so antu barari na shaka ukiakwithirwa Kenya nyete peaceful ukiakwithirwa nyo wona umente kuna ra umitoke ya Kenya ukawatirwa kuno kakwithirwa mantu atibui then how sure we mtu yo wenu nyeto mutare iza kwetu akithirwa ena yani kwa karora Africa ni batere kwithirwa kari so ikurara mantu mengi sana na kwa twikana ndi rito retu ithukite sana iya kari rito retu retibui muno kinya kirinthi wingi na maybe just maybe president yetu akire akuthwa no ukuringira siasa Raila kwa tukaira Raila kivyake na antu bawe pengine akithirwa kuluka
it is likely kuweza kutuika our president not at the front line campaigning for Raila it is also another factor nonto kinyata retu kuka Gen Z na efforts chawe water down Bata mama. And there's something I need maybe Patrick and Jeremy to understand. That the Kenya that we live in today is not the Kenya of 10 years ago.
True.
Gen Z's Bobo Kuga, they must have acquired maybe the contacts from a staff, a member of staff or something. That could be possible. We have raised a very smart generation. Na Kenyans, and Jerry, I think you know this, but over 500,000 Kenyans graduate annually.
True.
With very big courses, courses in IT, courses in computer science, courses
engineering,
in security. These are people who are to buy conditions to access any platform. Na ikiwa kuona even when the abductions were going on, iba go track mwanka DCI baka agwira the location where it is. So it is not impossible to have contacts. It is a drop in the ocean. It's a matter of a few programming languages and coding. No gatonya kire firewall is very protected and everything. Remember, our systems in Kenya were made in the past. It is not like they have been updated or something. So it is not inaccessible and it is not impossible. It happens. Na president wetu take the heads of state kana ministers of foreign affairs ba EU ake bara receive emails. You remember the case of Netherlands. Mwanka mkurure ugateja. You remember that?
Yes.
So, President wetu has not been kume gitara Gen Z and everything, has not been a very popular person. Kenya-wise na Kenya-ome. I could agree with you that it would have been better if his name is already soiled. Na Kenyans bara make it their business, not to soil it not only in Kenya but even outside. So his name was soiled already. The accusations of the rebels meeting here, the accusations of other countries not even being comfortable in our own country. And there is also the fact that Kenya is already chaotic. So you come from a very chaotic background and you want us to give you a mandate of several nations combined so that you govern yourself first. Lakini email si Gen Z baandika bauga we are in a crisis, Baba is not helping. Why do you think he will help? So it's also a factor that being Ruto fronting the campaigns might have messed things up.
Okay. Jerry, just echoing the words of my sister. Baba inyari ndita kulinga ndebe ewe nkana inda odinga
Adesida.
Hey.
Yes.
Baba yako na grudge na baba. You guys.
Baba was carrying the image of Kenya.
Baba himself is not clear.
Baba was carrying
Really?
He is not.
Baba was carrying the Kenyan image for information. And if Kenyans image is there to them, it is a sawa.
Okay.
Ango ndo uthethie bwega.
Na nina mtu hapo uratheterete antu.
Muntu arambura ndi mogi nyakeja kiumia kana gitine kia nyuma. Ango ndo uthethie. Tana ara nyakeja kubarunga mithire ne atua mate yo chigiria ruya. Ngagwa imuri jwa koroga kwinja. Na nduri. Okay, that is the truth of the matter. Na ndio yatiri president, whether the president was genuine. Thank you so much. Congratulations, William Samoei Ruto. Whether it was not genuine, it is a matter of a heart. Nontu Murungu atatu ikirire kioni kiu akiri na nkoro. Tutwa kuona gabara be genuine bila barite ura nkoro ikuga na ura bagwijiria. With genuine to non genuinity, Baba is here to stay, is in Kenya. Let us now ask ourselves as Kenyans, what is the aftermath of the AUC falling?
Exactly.
Nontu baba na ringire ndi katwa ni take to bank na baba area. Na nani kwa genuine ale kwa supporta wate genuine na ala supporterwe ale bilioni ila alire na ile atigeria Kenya kurira Kenya taka alira Addis Ababa. Nontu uto waga balance na bala bala ali no bala aliri na ndini me Antonio Kanya na tekani nyandi de gon tekandi MCA kana anything. Bala balance kama tigeria beje balire Kenya. Bagatinda kuria motiri ya Addis Ababa. Ketha ibakurira beje Nairobi na nange bare hoteli cia Kenya Ken's money itwande andu ikara Ethiopia chionde na tutunyigite. Number 2 baba eja bara bonde barumire no it was a good tourism ya kubugi baba ale Afrika ana betu bakia budatawa president ya gotika kwa budatiana betu baba eja muri atiri no nduto kuma campaign me this is the campaign. To me, this one was an onset of a campaign within a campaign. Because we saw toge campaign la baba eta kuzindirwa na ale Addis Ababa iturare isiuro ninyi vijana tutawasafirisha. Baba alindeera nituwasafirisha isiuro baba banginde nango ndo kwira wisirio ntububwega nimbuga kauju dela ntukirigite kia baba nenyala mtu akuruma baba Kenya uimenya era bwa gaja kuruma mindi na wije mwekuro kwa geta maternity nontu baba tebatere kuruma nontu baba nyabo dwara bara mwigeti yake bara bautinda kuruma baba Kenya batiringa to ingaba na ichionde na ile ambiru na ndi baba kale material to manto batereka kwe barari na pandiem kwe barana na itauti baona eta kwa naiti unika naiti
No, baragure atire baba nendi ne anto.
Relax.
Na baba anto baba retete nara baragure baba ingi batumirite mbeca chi.
Relax ungu na umenya atiri lakini gutentu gunyara bakorea batwirani cia oba utumira ni tuje the government of the day the government ndienda umenya ntubumu ndona in history if it was the Kenyan delegation to Addis Ababa goten delegation ikagianjara mondo kinyaja director kaugani ne meru tu tete Nairobi no tatinde kwa rutumire cia kutongo tumire cia waka kunyorangi na no ile mama na nyambali kwa korea nene tuko na kwa beja cia Kenya ila batigerie barire ndezi bwaja ile beja baba kurusi azuno na kure in because the context one must lose ora wanjibuti ende rusi baba kaina na ndini wanjibuti ukuina madwanjira baba laina ile te Africa na ndina kendagia wanjibuti ageto muriungira amwandi baisi akaraneo baba kuja is Kenyan now enjoy Kenya and live in Kenya. What is the next step? This is the way to go. Baba amerundi baba ina option hijiri either chia kuendelea kuenjoy bila njensi chia mutugutere arona bila njensi muandire dharike yao na mioyo yao. They were phoneless, they were formless, they were leaderless, they were homeless, they were fundless. Baina roje na dhimu ni sawa but formless and everything else formless but with phone beyond the body they with less bikwando bara bakedere ni babandi ni baopio ni baba ni masiesi ni bao na kila kitu na bara bange bakedere ni bara biara kwina roje biraruga yora tuonere batumire muntu bwose ore bwa John Paul na president muga agitonya na njere nyuma mete popularity te anything te experience gotunyo mete kari ntore meru to anenkerwa John Paul ne jo tunyi mugoro kanenkerwa kana yani ko anenkerwa jo tunyi mugoro gidare gamba wanenkerwa kana we wish him well
bro me agoro aba utovia bwana bado kwa godo
kato abatere kuona more than one in our voting authority we didn't only have Muga alone. They would be an addition minister that's what we are saying.
To have experience where they are all about the one at one experience.
I am not against my brother Muga from being as yes, but I am demanding the president to show the change to camera on Muga. But we need more than
beneficiary agencies. Why that?
Mugaki, we need another Muga even agency.
Yes,
that answer. Yakuru, to do with Yakuru, into with
Yakuru, to read Yakuru Ponte. Yabarabari died K politics. Bandu, Mugati.
I want to
in a Jerito command experience. Tu agruba kwendo ria now.
I want to be on record.
Nana bana bakuthoma.
Baitu gaskuru. Baitu gaskuru tukadoma. Mari ndende kidoma guki omdeke wa. Abwethetie. Kimata engineering. Na ingwe nekiari. Ngwe digamuga na perform. Saiti the so called bauba siasa bakuira. Ngwe dikia Jeremy ndakoita mse. Moha iwe minister okuringanira ngabana MP bakarande medene mo bakaria uwa kuwa denture ayiko tutona kanjeri ko irona medemwe ena ngabana Meru na MP bamero bakarinde bagari na siamanto ya Meru lakini muwa agwithirie effort mwanka make sure PS wa agriculture nondoka minister atirari ko awita ngabana MP barire manto amira na ruare resource mira tire musema no mawa ugiana unsi ramira prices semira so ugethia mwana una aronere bura mukuru ato so mwana nawe anaiba ofiti
kuna kintu kimwe Patrick uni kumenya Muga igitarira aratonyire utongeriene kakirire muno ndenda bongwata mbere kakirire sana mwankantu bamiru bambiri kuibo yaba to feel itiewe lakini kwa kintu ure harawa mpeni kanya kinyamta tonya nyumba no amba kumenya tukumbo to nyumba mbere wambiriria kuosiona niwe mwene nyumba but for now imbonete by the way nambiriti kuita nya tumisemanyo hapa na pale na nambiriti kubwithi manto maingi sana ya moja kuonekana so my brother
I should be on record. I echo and congratulate the possession of CS Muga Kanyane Karoji.
Okay.
But in Juga Batu Meru, Kura Tieto, Njenziba Kuma Bandamana, Natia Kalora Chikari, if anything and to an advantage, Nebo take an advantage to a tunua. To a tunuate, and to a tona Yakura Tieto, President in the name of Angakuri Selection Kabugeta, to an animal, but to whatever the tuna
para minister ba nambere jensi bandamana.
Kuandamana wambere kuandamana no tueta giongi. Kuandamana anto atononge tonomwe na to atu.
Musogero bwari nwe. So eda buri akansanere. Mukorora taumbangu imno. Adurwa mudako.
That is personal. Okay. My direction to the today government. No wate boega. Kinyakiri fora mu demand. The president yakerwa nezite. Akeja kuduganya Meru akeja in the walk. Kana akeja abitia kujana Ruto must come with something. You need just organ. No today man to jaile. Either Ruto must come with something or Ruto must go. But now must come with something not to come back with it. Now today there was a declaration by the Deputy President of the Kenya Professor
Kithure Kindiki
inimeru njira gukari njira gutwigire in South Imenti, get me right?
Yes.
Because South Imenti is the home of peace and maendeleo.
That's your opinion.
Not my opinion. South Imenti is the home of peace and maendeleo.
Okay.
I'm very strict on that.
No
wonder our MP etawa Dr. Senda Kimwiti wa maendeleo. Mtu wa maendeleo, deputy president ya ule kuna msemani. Tukao jitani na ala kuweka. Na hapo gutio kali na Mr. President angani na kutuma na kairi tuheta liko. Tutio kira aukeri
bokaruge kwingwa.
Ari te tukaruge bigata watuleo kada ni kambo na ila ngai kamwa na gutio kira gutio kuga ni wanga kama.
Wenda ndakuya tere. Na thati bwetro liko. Ibwetro liko tutikora. Kana te room. Kana nya bedroom we.
Ari bedroom.
Kana bedroom. Imbi yo ngo at least yabwirire atire no tundi biru akiuga ntukwingi kwina mirandi mingi muno mamite nera mamite no tuthirikari tina mbesa na nditwambirire gukiria mirandi u yonde na kuna mirandi mingi muno batu twekeri twemeru in fact no tekinya yomwe yo akinyanira so I guess ginyake yo bweta na kubatera kubwira na ngatia wantu kwira wa kirarita keje kiembere ya dafuru ya yenyuma agobatu kuja atura at least duare ngutia barabara fulani kibweza swa na bila vingi na de joni to abye yo jange ya kiendelea
mtato chia handouts nitigwe nikenda tuteja kuikwa mantu mubango na juteo turenda ugotiga kwenda opuria mtibira twitiri nonto tumba ngibite kunuri tuone ajari aje mpoka ilio tumwira munene ntugwina mpoka na nyama chianda mane na ndete tuchoke tuicho ngiya na aja kairi next tuma na watu mariko bila tukiotho bio chabo tukiotho tuibonagia ende gatuije atiri kutimune muntu atepurie mtaka munene yowe wona tweta tukerwa menu yarikia temeni uthoma mbere kana go warigio tiri na tia menu fast na ni menu tiri thoma
bora itarira
menu ya gomwa kumona ndito to presionda tusabirwe na nditachi usaba tiri president yake dojete.
Okay, sawa ibona sana mutegere Meru TV tanambere kwithira tutegerete tanambere kwithira Facebook Meru TV Kenya na twithira YouTube Meru TV Digital no withira ugita ukintumira SMS ku namba ni 0748918901 0748918901 ukomba kwithira ukintumira SMS ku ninyo ndo twithira WhatsApp no withira ugita WhatsApp ukithira ukintumira message ku twere maoni jaku nije ko kulingana na mantato kwa ridiru ari opinion yaku ikadia ata ngankethro nkiwata SMS yaku wona to